It's oil change day. So, I've already got the car up on ramps. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect this. There is a clip right here that you can use a pair of pliers and then disconnect that. We'll do this so we can get to the oil filter, which you can see is right there. For now, I'm going to go down underneath, and we need a 6mm hex to drain the oil, which I already have right here. Okay, break it loose, and we'll go ahead and get our drain pan in place. And we're going to go ahead and take that out. There is a copper gasket up here too, so make sure that you keep track of that. And there we go. So this is going to drain for a little while. I'm going to go up top and work on the filter. Just a side note, I do have a new drain plug and the gasket, so I'm going to be replacing that when I get the new one put all together. But see, I've got my 30mm that I have gone ahead and put on. We'll go ahead and loosen that up, and then we'll go from there. And here we are. Alright, I'm ready to take that off. Try to do this without making too much of a mess, but we'll see how it goes. Better pause it. Alright, and if you notice here, there is a little nub on the bottom of that filter. It did just come right out, so it didn't really give me much of an issue there. That nub has to be back in the same spot. You want to make sure that the gasket is still on it. There we go. This camera's focusing now. So yeah, you want to make sure the gasket's on there. There's also one on the other end of this filter. But yeah, we'll get it cleaned up and get a new filter in there. And you want to tighten this down to 25 Newton meters when you go to put it back in. Same with the drain plug. And there we go. We got to get this O-ring off of there. The filter does have some plastic clips, and they like to clip on to this ring right here. So kind of a bear to get off of there. Just use some elbow grease and you'll be fine. 25 Newton meters, put it back together. Same for the plug. And obviously I've got a new gasket because I knew the old one was messed up. And 5W40, 10 liters of it, or 10.6 quarts, and you'll be all good to go. This has been draining for a good while. I'm going to let it get as much of that oil out of there as possible. I've already got the filter rack on. It's got that little notch. You have to put the filter in first, and then put it down in the hole, and then put your cap back on. But, again, 25 Newton meters up there. 25 Newton meters down here. And then get all your oil put in and start it up. And you're good to go. If y'all like the video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you have a great day.